Good day, good day. Are you sick and tired of struggling to build beds and for your bases? Well, I hope this video will help you out. So, what are we doing today? Well, I'm going to show you how to build four different beds, starting from 2 single beds to double beds. So, let's start with the most basic one, the single bed. All what you need is a red bed, a spruce sign, and a spruce shelf. And it's quite simplistic to build. You place down the bed, the spruce shelf at the other end, and just surround the entire bed with signs. Like so. Well, with level 1 out of the way, let's go to level 2. A bit more fancy single bed. So what will you need for this one? Well, you'll need a slab, a bed, a barrel, spruce fences, spruce slabs, which is optional at best, some shelves, quartz, and a banner. Okay, so how do we build this thing? Well, we start off by breaking into the ground. Then you place down a banner like so, and you fill in with quartz. With that out of the way, it's quite simple. You start off with a bed, just add some spruce slabs, some barrels, and then some fences on top of that. Then I like to trim it off with a few slabs, but you could add anything you want. And at the back, we just add the chiseled bookshelves. Okay. There we go. Level 2 completed. Next to a simple double bed. Well, what do we need? We need a bed, spruce shelf, a sign, and once again, the chiseled bookshelves. You place a bed on top, move back a bit, place a bed, place another bed up top of it. Then all you have to do, just place some shelves on each end. And then, just to finish off, some spruce signs. You don't actually need a backdrop depending on what wall you're using, but I like to use chiseled shelves. Now for the final one. How do we build this one? Well, you need quite a bit actually. You'll be needing a spruce shelf, some stairs, a bed, spruce signs again, some trapdoors, a chest, the bookshelves, and if you're willing to, one of these, some more. So let's start. First off, just place your beds down to get just a brief overview of what you're planning to do. I like to just finish it off with signs real quick before moving on to the next steps. Place a stair like so, and if you want to, you can do it again. Like so. Sometimes there's a gap, and then you can just fix it with a solid spruce plank. Then you'll take a spruce shelf, if I can find one, and you place it down. A lot of technical difficulties, and then I like to make it 2D, but it's not needed at all. Depends on what you're building. If you're needing a backdrop like I am, or you're just building it against your wall, but all you have to do is to just place your trapdoor on it, 2 layers of them, and then just complete that, and just bring the shelves over to this side as well. Then all that is left for you to do is to place a double chest and just fill in the backdrop like so. This is just where cobblers comes in to just clean it up a bit. With that now cleaned up, we are adding the final touch. Just some red wool. Just add a nice little trim to it. Now there we go. There is 4 different ways that you can make a bed in Minecraft.